Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Dudes Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best graphics card holder for your dream build. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the UpHere graphics card holder. Let's get started. Product feature. The simple slide-type support structure makes it incredibly easy and convenient to adjust the holder to fit your specific internal setup perfectly. Built with high-quality, sturdy iron, this holder provides a robust foundation that keeps your expensive components safe and secure for years. It effectively prevents your graphics card from sagging or bending, protecting your hardware's longevity and maintaining a clean look inside your case. Designed for universal use, it offers high compatibility with a wide range of different motherboards and computer cases available today. A unique two-way adjustment system allows you to customize both the length and the position to accommodate almost any size of graphics card. The advanced ARGB lighting system creates a vibrant and colorful atmosphere, making your PC build look truly stunning and personalized. It supports seamless synchronization with 5V 3-pin ARGB motherboard headers, letting you control and switch between multiple beautiful lighting modes. Pros: you will truly appreciate how this holder protects your investment. Its iron construction offers a sense of security, ensuring your GPU stays level and safe from structural stress. The ARGB lighting is a joy to behold, adding a warm, customizable glow that makes your entire build feel more personal and alive. It is a simple, caring addition that brings both beauty and strength to your PC. Cons: it is very important to be careful with the installation of the lighting system. You must avoid 4-pin 12-volt headers, as connecting them incorrectly could unfortunately damage the LED strip. While it is highly adaptable, users with extremely small or unique case layouts might need to spend a little extra time finding the perfect placement. Final thoughts. Your PC is a reflection of your hard work and passion, and this holder is the perfect companion to keep it looking its best. It provides that extra layer of care your hardware deserves, ensuring everything stays exactly where it should be. By combining reliable protection with breathtaking light, it gives you the confidence to show off your build with pride and joy every single day. Give your graphics card the support it needs right now. Check the price link in the description for more details. Subscribe to Dudes Tech and like this video to see more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching.